Alright, we are off and we're headed to the Chinese border. Intersections are quite hairy around here, but anyway. So Chinese border, and then we're having some epic routes today. It's 7 hours in total. So yeah. So headed to the Chinese border today. It's going to be epic. The routes are amazing. Yeah, so excited. Epic routes. So it's going to be great. 7 hours. Let's do it. Feels good to be back on the bike. Oh, mornings are amazing. On the streets of Bang. Quite Vietnam, isn't it, with beautiful scenery and some fucking dodgy ass low hanging wires. But that's insane. Is that from a rock fall or is that?
I'm not even sure if they're not
mining it.
Oh, they can't mine it. They must just fall, I guess.
Well, what's this? Looks like some sort of quarry or something.
Yeah, maybe. So how do they get it?
Look at these mountains.
Dynamite. Let it fall and pick it up.
So we're just changing into our wet weather gear because countryside's amazing, but it's looking a bit misty and we'd just rather not make the same mistake as yesterday. And so Reese will get his, Reese just putting his top on, doesn't think he needs his short pants, although the fact he might have left him in the hotel. But can we laugh about that yet?
Yeah.
I think we've taken a wrong turn again. Reese is sitting on ahead. So I can't keep water off the lens, I'm sorry, but we're just looking for somewhere. We've been directed this way. Reese needs some wet weather pants and possibly a full face helmet for this weather. And we're looking for something that resembles. We've been sent this way, but there's just nothing. We've come a fair way. We just don't know anymore. With these pants? This way, okay. Thank you. Hello. My goodness. And typical markets here.
Did I get confused? The leg. Yeah. one?
This.
Oh. Yeah.
Oh, no, we need leg.
Leg?
Oh, they pants.
Lật đấy. They need leg? Yeah. Do you like this or leg?
That's what she's got. So can I have a look?
Open. The top, not the leg.
Chui đầu vào đi cũng được. Chui vào không đỡ.
Like this. Yeah, but I got the top. I need the leg.
Thoát cái này ra, ở cái này ra.
Yeah, not very long. Look.
Cho ra ngoài thôi.
See? Yeah. Yeah. How much? How much? You can see?
Motor này.
10,000.
Cái kia là motor này. 1.000, 10.000.
Yeah, 10,000. Very good.
All we could find was the top. Now try and swing the leg over the motorbike. That's going to be the problem.
No, perfect. One foot out maybe. Oopsie, rip it. Oh, fucking hell. I hate this. I hate this so much.
Oh, this is it.
No coffee, just ride.
Just stop for something to eat in this place. We're in some little town again. Just love seeing the little towns and stuff. It's really cool.
Leg? Yeah. It's healthy.
So we found some wet weather gear for Reese. Just putting them on. Hello. Don't know what he's doing, but anyway. Bikes. Very good. Very good. I'm unsure what this person is doing. They're just looking at us.
No. I'm on the road again. I can't wait to get back on the road again. To get wet again.
Reese just cannot handle wet socks, wet feet, so.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Mate, we're going to be mugged if you don't fire the f up.
But I need bags.
I don't give a f about your bags, mate. We need to get out of here.
Oh, this is fun.
Yeah. You'll be in a minute if you don't get out of here. You're not happy.
Ben.
Go. No.
You.
Don't give him hope. No idea where we are, but this town, absolutely beautiful. stopped in the most beautiful spot. How's this for a shot? Oh. Township. Look at this surroundings. It's insane. So I'm unsure if I'll put that on camera, but I just drove past these pigs in these little crates, little tiny crates, just enough to fit a pig in it, like couldn't move or anything. And a whole lot of them just lined up along the side of the road, would have been about 15, 20 of them. And they're like freaking out, you can see them like looking, they can't move or anything, fucking horrific. Very different here. Very different. Reese is going back for a look because he missed it, but I'm not going back. I can't look at that again. No, not my thing. Happy just to wait here with this scenery. So good. Guys will give us a wave. Hello? Hello. Hello, hello. Very good, nice and long.
Not on that road.
So we got to go that way, I think. I don't know where this it is, but that way, and then the border's just up there from what we can see on the map. So let's do it. Okay. I've got a flat tyre. Yep, she's flat. Shit. Okay. I need to work out what's going on here. Damn it, damn it, damn it. Well, good thing is we went through a town just then, so we'll have to push it back, I'd say, and see if we can get it fixed. I've got a spare tube in here, so let's hope like heck that it fixes it. We can get it fixed, because that's annoying. Reese hasn't realised yet that he's that I'm not behind him, but I'm gonna start pushing it back. The city town's just over there, so I just don't want to flat tyre.
Really?
Yeah.
Now?
I don't know. I just felt it as we come around the corner.
Yeah.
There's a township back there, so I think we just take it there.
Have you got a tube?
Sure do. Your stand's not up properly. Push your stand through. Yeah. I come around a corner and just felt it go zzz. I was like, oh shit. So, I don't know how it's happened. Went down quick. I shouldn't ride it like that, should I?
No.
What do we do? Push it back to the town? Do you want to go on ahead and see if you can find someone that can...
Come and change.
Or just push it in?
We'll do both. I'll go find someone.
Righto. And I'll push her in. Well, Reese has gone off ahead to the town to see if we can find a mechanic or someone that can fix it. Move that up so I hit it. And I'm going to start pushing, at least it's downhill. It's good times, part of the adventure. Oh, she's real flat now. She's going all over the place. Anyway, could be worse, could have crashed or something. Turn my phone off while I'm here actually. So still going. We're just off the Chinese border, so I'm a bit nervous. But we're still in Vietnam obviously, so let's hope that we can find someone to fix. Hello? Hello? It's just a flat tyre, so it'll be fine. We'll find someone to fix it, and thank goodness we just went through a town. Anyway, good exercise, and guess what? The best scenery you'll find. Okay. Yeah. Hello? Hello? I thought it was funny. I want to. I feel like I could probably ride it, but I just don't want to wreck it anymore. And I don't know, I can do the exercise. I'm in one of the most beautiful countries, and I'm just walking. Let's do it. How you going?
Oh, TTE. Hey,
You can fix?
Chifu.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll come.
Merci.
Thank you. I don't know what that meant, but I'm going to take my jacket off. I'm getting way too hot. Alright, so just met some people that just said that keep heading around this way. I haven't seen Reese yet, but no doubt he's gone. Found someone. What an adventure. Love it. I really want to ride it, but anyway, don't want to break it anymore. Thank you, thank you. He's telling me to go as well. Pointing me in the right direction. Hello? Flat tire. Yeah. Oh, gotta love the exercise. I ain't pushing it up there. Hello? A mechanic fix tire? Hello? Flat tire. Up there? Yeah, okay. I ride or
Where are you from?
Australia?
Australia.
Long way from home. Yeah.
What's the name?
Brendan. What's your name?
My name is Inyat.
Inyat. Lovely to meet you. Yes. So up a bit further. 2 kilometers.
No.
Okay. I might ride. Too far. Nope. Terrible idea. No. Okay, that didn't work very well. Oh no. Huh? Okay. I need to somehow yeah, okay, that'll do. Okay. Alright. No. I don't think I can ride it. You know what? I'm not doing that. Heaps further already. Okay, the top of the hill now. Right. Oh. Alright, we'll just push it down the hill now. We're good. Alright, just turn me around. Apparently it's here. We've got a mechanic. Let's go.
Okay. You came a long way.
Yeah, no. Push. Hello.
He's a mechanic.
Okay.
I can't believe how far you got.
I did ride it up this hill. It's too heavy. Okay, do you want bag off? Off? Okay.
That's why I bought that bit there, bro.
Is that lock? No.
Should only lock to the left.
Okay. You got a new tube or fix?
Patch.
Patch. Beautiful. Where'd you find him?
Did you meet these blokes down here?
Oh, was it them, was
Hey,
it?
Point. He drove me up there to meet him.
Oh, beautiful.
Tyre. Something going in. Shoot.
Oh, wow. Okay, that's it. Oh.
Nailed.
Oh. Hello.
You want?
Point of view. Alright, big thanks to our little mate. It's all fixed. We've got a patch. I probably should have told him I had a spare tube, but he just he said to go to the city to fix it. But anyway, all good, we'll sort it. Unless this will get us to where we're going today. Okay, so tyre's fixed, we've got a patch. That'll hold up, that's fine. When we get to the city, if we've got time, I'll get to replace the tube, but it'll be right. And oops, there we go. Anyway, now it's time to put on wet weather gear. Oh, these pretty dry rider ones on. Not funny. Anyway. Sure. So we've just realised that there, if you can see in the distance, is a camera. That's the Chinese border.
If you go, but there's more there. There's more back there.
Oh wow, there's two.
Huh?
There is two. Wow. So those hills there are in China.
So one side of a river, and then with a fence.
Yeah.
Well, two fences with barbed wire on top.
So Vietnam get the river.
Well, I guess that's a divide, but that's just where they put their fence.
Yeah.
Oh, she do very tight.
So that's China. So that's China. Very heavily guarded, well, very heavily monitored border, obviously. Yeah, pretty crazy. People down in the water there. Yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a house right up on the hill up there. I think this might be the border, the town or something. Ah, this is it. Yeah, I think this is it. Shiju, over this way.
Walk down, could you see waterfall?
Yeah, is this where the waterfall is?
I think so, yeah.
I thought this was where the big flag thing.
Oh, maybe.
Hello, no thank you. Yeah, no.
No, thank you, Shiju. No.
Nah, I don't need.
No, Shiju. No means no, Shiju.
What do you think no means, Juju? Let's have a look. Hello. Hello. Ciao. Do not fly cam. Look at that thing up there. Heck.
Need ticket, Shiju. We got no ticket.
Do we?
So, just no hello, just walk.
Whatever that is up there is pretty cool. Hello.
Hey.
Hello. Hold us up. Wow, this is cool. Heck. Heck. The waters looks clean.
I think you'll break it. I don't think they make it for people your size.
And not good, Gus.
Big boy, too much, too much. Big crepe last night. Did you over?
That crepe was amazing.
Yeah, it was. Nutella crepe. You're a bit of a crepe, aren't you, Brendan?
Yeah. Oh, it's finished raining now, so.
Yeah, I don't really like that. I'm going to stop riding for the day.
I'm
Maybe
done.
tomorrow when it's raining again.
Mate, we are wet weather experts when it comes to riding in the rain. Oh my god, we've got boat tours as well.
Beautiful.
This is cool. Pretty impressive, I will say. So they're the waterfalls, and that's China on that side, and then this is Vietnam. So the China boats and the Vietnam boats are just hanging out together. You could just jump on a boat and no one would know.
Well, it's very heavily regulated, Brendan.
Yeah, I'm sure it is. Pretty cool.
Yes, very good, Shiju.
What's impressive is that thing up there.
Gonna go down and have a close look.
Yeah.
I might as well get the end of that.
That is really beautiful. How beautiful is this behind me? Stunning. Oh. How good. How good. Found a little town. It's here somewhere.
Huh?
It's here somewhere.
What are you looking for?
Accommodation. It's here somewhere. In there. We've got to go around the back, yeah. Should you? Should we go around back? I'm just looking. Yeah, is this the one?
See that? Open? Two?
So I just sort of quickly jump in here and explain what's happening. So we were headed for a place called Bar Luck, and we, due to the rain, the flat tire and a few things, we just didn't make it. So it was getting dark and we pulled over into some random town. I don't even know where it actually is. I've tried to find it on the map, but I'm not sure. So we had no idea where we were. We were still probably 3 or 4 hours from Bar Luck, where we were headed. Anyway, we were trying to find a hotel that was half decent, and so we pulled into this place. We had no idea where we were. They were trying to get us to come in. We were a bit iffy as to whether we wanted to stay there. But anyway, you'll see this sort of unfold as we end up staying at this place tonight. But I just wanted to explain what's happening at the moment.
This is the best one here, isn't it?
Well, I don't know if this is the one, but yeah.
Huh?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.
Just do it.
Just do it. We're here now, Russ. Can't be bothered moving.
I'm cold. Blanket. Ready for future.
Let me just for shits and giggles, I'll just have a quick look. Sorry?
Cao Bằng.
Đây Trùng Khánh.
No.
Hả?
Đó. Nói.
Um,
Vào Google ấy. Google.
do you want to translate? Yeah, translate.
Just stay, mate.
Do you have room for 2 people?
Bạn có phòng cho 2 người không? Có.
Yeah.
Ok.
Yeah. How much?
Lên trên.
Yeah.
Trên.
How many? Yeah.
We can have a look.
You go.
Okay. I'll come. Okay, yes, that's good. Good. Yes.
Cảm ơn nữa. Ở đây này.
Yeah. Let me just try the bed. Yeah. The bed. Oh. Hard. Oh no. No, sorry. Yeah.
Ở đây nhá.
Yeah. I'll ask friend. Yeah, I'll come back. Sorry. Sorry. There's like no mattress. It's just hard. Like it's a rock hard. Like it's this. Like it's fucked.
We're walking with you.
I don't know.
Can you look up somewhere else?
Oh, I can't. Why? Around. So we're going to our room, right? With much contemplation, I've been up and looked at it, and the beds are fucking hard, and Reese is just done, doesn't want to go anywhere, so...
There's nothing else here.
There's a really nice homestay, about 15 minutes away, but... You know what? Oh mate, all I can do is complain. Lucky you weren't in the Vietnam War.
No, what I'm saying is, don't complain about the bed. Sleep on that lounge, that'd be nice. Should you? Oh,
Okay.
high bed, oh no. Oh, shit.
Oh, shit.
You're going to mess, should you?
Ugh. Well, this is it. Feel the mattress. Oh, there's no give. It's just a plank of wood. Alright, so we just stayed we're in the hotel. Very hard beds, but anyway. Should we get some dinner, find something to eat. See if Reese can find anything that he likes. Probably not. But it's gonna be funny looking. Anyway, stairs in this place. Oh, wet. Hello?
Uống chè.
No, okay, thank you. So we're just walking the streets of wherever we are, and it's wet, we're in dongs, and it's just muddy and yuck, isn't it? There's markets over here. Oh. Oh man. Oh well, let's just head straight. There's something down there, I think. Yeah, my feet are fucking... hello? No. I don't like it. Oh, this will do. There's gonna be something to eat here. Restaurant there? This is is one of the many challenges of travelling Vietnam, is finding food. Yeah. Blind as a welder's dog. He said this way, but I don't know. Let's walk this way. We'll just go the opposite way, what the locals say. Usually that works. I'm gonna need another shower from my knees down after this. Yeah. It's our last option. Otherwise, go back to that shop and just get whatever. Oh, what's that? Tyre. Tyre food. The same as what the other place had. Yeah, we can go back and grab one of those ducks that are just dead, I think. Pretty fresh. Fresh?
Yeah, they're fresh because they've got the little spotter so
Oh,
flies
yeah.
don't land on them.
Yeah, that's not well. Where's that place? Yeah, no luck. I tried to ask some locals, they pointed me in this direction. No food. There's a couple of kitchen-y looking things, but they stink and it's just not, it's probably fine, but anyway. I don't want to be sick in a country like this, so anyway. I think I must go back to the shop and buy something. Yeah, anyway. Buy some packaged food. Can't go wrong there. If I'm eating this, I don't know what it is, but no, makes me nervous. It's got meat on it, but anyway, let's just go vegetarian. But I'll have fried rice if I can find some. No one does it. Anyway, all good. Go in this shop and get something as well, and then that'll do us to go back to the hotel. Alright, I got a few things from the shop, but tell you what, this place is sketchy as in the rain. It's not nice. Not nice. Oh man, a big puddle up here. I'll be getting straight into the shower when I get home and washing my feet. This is not good. Hello. Oh my goodness. Not well. Anyway, well, go and see what Reese is doing. Munch on some of these things and fall asleep, and we're going to start early in the morning because we've got to make up. We only got half a day's riding today, so we have to make up for it today and do 1.5 days riding tomorrow, and some pretty cool riding tomorrow, so I'm keen as. So let's do it. Oh, this is not good. All right, I shall talk to you tomorrow.